Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. So, you'd like to learn how to set up custom message templates in SigniFlow. Custom message templates can be applied to a workflow during the setup process. The custom message will be displayed on emails received by the nominated signers, as well as on a pop-up when they open the document in SigniFlow. Please note that custom message templates can only be enabled and edited by a business admin. If you are unsure who your business admin is, you can check this on your profile page. Now, let's set up our custom message. Step 1. Log into SigniFlow. Your dashboard will open. Step 2. First, click on the Business Profile tab in the left-hand navigation panel. Next, open the Custom Messages page by selecting the Custom Messages tab in the left-hand navigation panel. Step 3. Select whether you would like the custom message templates to be enabled and also whether you would like to force the user to use a template. Enable custom messages. This setting allows users to select a custom message from a list in the table below. This makes consistency in your workflows easier. Force custom messages. This setting forces users to choose and use a custom message from the list in the table. When done, save the changes, if any, by clicking on the Save Custom Message Rules button. Step 4. Provide custom messages by tapping on the Add Custom Message button below the Save Custom Message Rules button. Another page will now open with the option to add and set up a custom message. First, give your custom message a name that will be easily identifiable. Next, add the message in the text input box below the name text input box. Once the message has been added, you can adjust its format/appearance with the controls above the text input box. You can make the text bold, italic, or underlined. The alignment of your text can be centered, left, or right aligned. You can make the message appear as a numbered list or a bullet point list. Next, you can adjust the font size and font family. You can indent the text, add an image, and add a link. Lastly, you can change the text and the background colors. When done, you can save your custom message by tapping on the Create button. I will save mine. Now, you can see your custom message appear in the table below the Settings control. Within the row of the custom message, you can edit the message by clicking on the Edit button. This will direct you to the same custom message setup page you were on when adding a custom message. Once done, save the changes by tapping on the Update button. If you'd rather delete the message, you can tap on the Remove button next to the Edit button. That is how you set up your custom message templates in SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.